So I was just minding my business one day and I received this message. So it's been brought to my attention that I have been challenged. Someone said that me creating my Black Hustlers Club Instagram account and getting it to 100,000 followers was a fluke. That I can't do it again. That I don't be out here every single day creating Instagram accounts and getting them to 1 million followers every single day. That I don't do this. So, challenge accepted. So I'm gonna be creating a brand new Instagram account and I'm gonna do it again. But this time I'm only gonna get it to about 20,000 followers and I'm gonna start promoting and making some money on the page. So just to prove the haters wrong, for the haters in the back that say I don't create Instagram accounts on a day-to-day basis and get them to 1 million followers every single day, I got you, man. I got you. We're gonna prove you wrong. And matter of fact, let me get on the phone with my lawyer real quick. Hello? Yeah, Tom? I got people on the internet telling me that I don't really create Instagram accounts and get them to 1 million followers every single day. Crazy, right? Crazy. But if I do actually do this, if I do get this new account to 20,000 followers, what I want you to do is I want you to free Kodak and free all the bros. You gotta free all the bros too. You can do that for me. Alright, cool. That's on the dead lokes. Respect your gangster. Okay, Tom, I see you. I'ma let him know.
Alright, I'ma fuck with you.
Alright, bro.
Hey, Tom said if I actually complete this challenge, he gonna free all the bros, he gonna free Kodak, and he said that's on the dead lokes and respect his gangsters. So I'm gonna do my part, Tom's gonna do his part, and what I need you to do is to drop a like on this video. We all play a big part in this, and we all gonna live happily ever after if we all do our part. So make sure you do your part as well. But all jokes aside, man, welcome to the channel. My name is Drell, and in this video right here, I'm gonna be creating a brand new Instagram account from scratch just to show you guys the process, because I know a lot of people are beginning right now and you don't really know how to grow your Instagram accounts and you want to see someone do it from scratch. Because like the Black Hustlers Club is cool, it's at 100,000 followers right now, but a lot of people join at like 50,000 followers, 100,000 followers maybe, and you want to see something from scratch. You want to learn how to do it from scratch. So that's why in this video I'm gonna be doing exactly that, and I'm gonna show you guys the process. So my goal for this challenge is to get the page to 20,000 followers and make some money off the page. So that's my two main goals: get it to 20,000 followers and make some money off the page. Like I said, just to show you guys it's possible. So for the page, I wanted to do something a little bit different. It's gonna be in the same niche, but the page is gonna be posting different types of content. So on this page, I'm gonna be posting like Black success. So I'm gonna be posting different successful Black people on the page, just highlighting excellence and everything like that. It's a little bit different from the page that I have right now. And for the page name, I went with Black Success Club. And you gotta admit, Black Success Club sounds pretty cool. If you come across someone, you be like, yo, I'm part of the Black Success Club. I follow Black Success Club. They're gonna be like, what's that? I wanna be a part of that club, right? So that's why I chose the name. When you're picking out your own name for your Instagram account, you don't want it to be too long. You want it to be short and easily rememberable. So like Black Success Club is just straight through, you know what I'm saying? So that's why I chose the name for the page. So now that we got our name, it's time to do the bio. So for the bio, I went with business, money, and success for the name, and then I got highlighting Black excellence and then empowering the Black community. Now this is the bio that I went with starting off. I'm probably gonna change it in the future if I come up with something better, but for now it's a good clean bio. For your bio, you wanna add some emojis, you wanna just tell the people what your page is about, right? So as you can see, like when people come to my page, they gonna know my page is about business, money, success, highlighting Black excellence, and empowering the Black community. So they know exactly what my page is about. So now that we got our name, bio, now it's time to do the logo for the page. So for the logo, I'm about to just whip up something. Hey, I want to warn you right now, I'm Picasso with it, man. I'm Picasso with it. But I'm gonna go on Canva, whip up something, whip up a new logo, and then I'm gonna hit you guys up when I'm done. Alright, so I'm officially done with the logo. It only took me about 5 minutes to make. Now brace yourselves, because like I said, I'm Picasso with it. So this is the logo, boom, and this is how it looks on the page, boom. So like I said, I know, I'm Picasso with it.
Hi.
Okay.
But now we actually got the logo made, we got our bio done, we got the name. Now it's time to get into the fun part, which is actually posting content on the page. So I'm about to pull up my phone right now so that you guys can see like how I go about finding the best content on Instagram, what to post on the page and everything like that. Alright, so I'm on the account right now, and as you can see, I got 0 posts, 0 followers, and 0 people that I'm following. And we gotta get some posts on the page, right? Because posting is how you're gonna actually start getting discovered by people. You gotta be posting on a consistent basis. So what I do for posting, in the future, I will make my own content, but for right now, I'ma just post other people's content. So I'm gonna just go to similar pages to mine. So I'm gonna just type in black. So we could do, I know one page in particular. So they got Black Wall Street, right? So in order to find the best post, all you need to do is look at the engagement on the photo. So this one has 1,300 likes. Let's scroll down a little bit, 1,700. 1,300, 300 likes. We gotta find a post that's getting pretty decent engagement. So this one right here has 5,000 likes. So this would be a photo that I would take, screenshot this photo right here, and post it on my page and just give them credit for it. So as you can see, this is from the brand startup. So I would just give them credit in my caption, right? And actually tag them in the photo when I post it on my page so that there's no copyright issues or anything like that. Let me just go down. So this one has 3,000 likes. Alright, so this is another good example, right? This one has 7,800 likes, which is well over the normal amount of likes that they're getting on their photos, right? So this would be another one. I'm gonna screenshot this one, you know, and then this would be a photo that I'm gonna post on my page as well. So you get the idea. You basically just wanna go to similar pages to yours, see what content they're posting, see what posts are getting the most likes and the most comments, and then screenshot those posts and post them on your page. Now this only works if you have a theme account. So if you got like a personal brand page, I wouldn't recommend you do that for your personal brand. So I'm gonna finish getting the rest of these posts, and then I'm gonna update you guys when I'm done. Alright, so I'm done posting on the page. As you can see, I got 9 posts right now. I just wanted to get the page full, you know, because when people come to my page, if you have like less than 9 photos, it'd be like some empty blocks. So that's why I wanted 9 photos to start off with, so that the page looks full when I'm starting off and when people come to my page. And all the photos on my page align with Black success, Black excellence, empowering the Black community, etc. right? So now I know you're probably thinking like, yo, drill. How are you actually gonna grow the page? How are you gonna get followers and everything like that? Well, it's simple. One way that I'm gonna do this is doing a follow for follow method. So I'm gonna go to similar pages to mine, and I'm actually follow the people that follow them and follow the people that like their photos. The reason why this works is because the people that are following their accounts are gonna like my photos as well, because my account is very similar to theirs. So that's why the follow for follow method still works to this day, and that's what I'm gonna be using to start off with to grow my followers. Another way that I'm gonna do this is using hashtags. So all my photos will have hashtags on it, and hashtags bring a lot of likes, a lot of engagement to the photos as well. So hashtags, follow for follow method. And the last way that I'm gonna be growing the page is getting shout outs from bigger pages. So I talked about this a lot in my previous videos where I talk about how to grow Instagram accounts and everything like that. What you wanna do is you wanna go to bigger pages in your niche, you know, like 100,000, 50,000 followers, 20,000 followers even, and ask for shout outs. So these you might have to pay for. You might have to pay like $20 for a shout out on their page, but your followers will shoot up, man. I'm telling you, this is how I grew my first account to over 100,000 followers, using shout outs and collaborating with other people. So those are the 3 ways that I'm gonna be growing a page from scratch. So I hope that you guys are excited for this journey. I know I am, man. It's only episode 1 and I'm excited for it. And if you guys are excited for the journey, make sure that you drop a like on the video. Leave a comment down below any questions you have. And make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on the future videos as well. But I'm out, bro. I'll see you guys in the next video.